Now if we wanna print the text now, it will print like this. If we run the code, it will print like this. So now we can print the name here, also our age 25. So and that's it. Our second part is f string. Now we are going for a slicing part. It's the third part. Our third part is slicing part. We can slice our text like if we enter a variable like b and our name is I am a we can print it from a to I. If we wanna print ami from this string, we can use our slicing method here. Like if we print for print b, if you count here, our string is the array. So just remember, string is the array, and the array start from 0. So I is a 0, then space is 1, then a is 2, 0 1 2. So we have to start from 0, then go for sorry, we have to start for 2, 0 1 2, and then we have to go for 2 3 4, 0 1 2 3 4 5, 5 5 plus 1 6. We have to go for 6. And if for printing am0i. Now if we run the code, so it's giving us a error. I have now it's okay. We are giving here a comma, for you we have instead of comma we have to use the colon. So this is our the third part, slicing part. Now um if we wanna um, take our string to middle or center, we have to use the center method. For using center method, we have to take a variable which is c, and we have to take an example like Arnav. If we go we have to, if we take this, if we normally print this string, it will print like this. It will print here or no. But if we wanna print it on a center part like here or here, if we can print it like this, c dot center, and we have to enter a value for how much we wanna center it. We enter here 50. Now if we run it, like we now you can see the orno part is on the center. So we can increase the center or the space from starting point by increasing the value of 50. Now the center part is gone. Now we can use a find part. For finding part, we use these text. Okay. Now the send is finding a string. like if we wanna finding the text from the text, hello, I am Arnav and my age is 25. So if we go for Arnav part, if we wanna find the Arnav part, we can simply just using the finding method. Finding method, how can we do that? We can just print text dot find, just we simply enter the which one we are finding, it will give us a index. So if we wanna index of Arnold, index of Arnav is 12. If we count from 0 to 7 or 6, 0 to 12, we can find the Arnav here. It's complete our find part. If we wanna convert the whole text into uppercase, we just simply enter here upper and lowercase. Text dot upper text dot lower. Now if we run this code, we can see the hello, I am Arnav, my age is 25 is all are in uppercase, and hello, I am Arnav, my age is 25, all are in lowercase. Now the strip method. Strip. What is strip do? Strip remove extra spaces from our sentence. Like we go for now strip method. What is strip do? Strip remove our extra space. If we enter a text like I have a dream, we give a extra space here. Ending point and starting point, we give a extra space. It will remove our extra space here. Print a strip now you can see that the extra space is gone. I have a dream, the extra space here is gone in the output. Now if we go for the concatenation, it means we are adding two strings together. Concatenation. First string is hello. This this is a YouTube video, and if we take another string, I made it for myself. If I made it for not more for myself, for my audience, also for my skills. I made it for my skills, for update my skills, and also update my speaking skills. Update my speaking skills. If we wanna add these two things together, we just simply enter a result, take a result variable and simply added these two, s plus b, and if we print this, it will enter our two string together. It will add our two strings together and we can print these two. You can see that our first strings hello, this is a YouTube video, and we are not giving here a space, so it simply added I made this for my skills and after speaking skills. We also add a space here also, and that's all from me for today's video. It's a simple, you can say that it's a simple video, but it's a simple video for yourself, where lots of beginners are stuck in here. They feel some barriers, they feel so hard to doing this. I explained the whole things here. If you find any helpful from this video, you can like, share and subscribe. If you don't feel that it's not it's so many important for you, you can skip it. I just made this video for improving my speaking skills and also improving my technical skills, and that's it. That's my goals, and I will this is my first video. I will upload every day. I will upload something new here.